Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the obvious but essential items. You are signed into the exact account that stores history. Once signed in, go to Activity or History Controls and enable Web and App Activity. That's why history is saved in the first place. Make sure sync is turned on for history so devices share entries. Also verify device date and time are accurate because misaligned clocks prevent proper sync. Once done, proceed to the deeper cleanup steps. Next, you address corruption and conflicts that stop history from appearing. Update the browser or app because many fixes arrive in minor releases. Once updated, disable extensions or open safe mode to isolate add-on interference. Clear cache and cookies for the browser or app, but avoid removing saved passwords so logins stay intact. Then sign out and sign back in to force a fresh state. If history reappears, re-enable extensions. 1. Finish by forcing a full resync. Sign out of the account, restart the device, then sign back in. This compels the server to re-index your history. Make sure background data and network permissions are allowed, and then give the service up to 24 hours to repopulate items, since server-side processing can delay visibility. If history never returns, export the account activity for records and contact support with the export. That troubleshooting tip helps recover or diagnose server-side loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.